Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use Freemind to JSON converter to convert Freemind mind maps to JSON files. And I'm using it sometimes for converting, like I can create some logic or some specific data into mind map, then convert it into JSON and then use on a website or in-app. And so this is my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To download app, find app, I can type in search Freemind and just click on Freemind to JSON page, double click on download button to start downloading process. Wait until archive will be downloaded. Then click on downloaded archive. Double click on MSI inside archive to start the installation process and click on more info. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish to complete installation. And you can see there is an app, new app on my desktop. I can close this and minimize this. And now I can double click on shortcut to launch app. Conversion is 3 steps process. On first step I have to select my map file. So I have like this sci-fi story mind map. Yeah, I can show you this if I open this Freemind. It's just a simple mind map for like sci-fi stories, and yeah, just a simple thing. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna convert this to JSON. And first I select mind map, click on next. There is no conversion option here, and if you think of any conversion options for this app, let me know. I will add them on the screen. So right now I'll just click on next step. Here I can preview JSON created from mind map, or you can see there is a tag, there is an ID generated, and there is a child node into it, and there is a number of children in for every node. And I can save this as JSON file. I can save it into my document. I have to specify name of the file. Let's call it sci-fi story JSON and just click save, and you see it's saved. Now I can open it into Firefox to show you that it's because Firefox has embedded JSON viewer, so I can open it and drag it to Firefox, and here you can see structure of entire JSON thing. Yeah, so basically it has a child node. Every child node is like kind of array, and in every child node there is I have subnodes and subnodes in it, and yeah, you can see amount of children. You see child nodes could be empty. So yeah, basically it's just a hierarchical structured JSON. And yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.